So I ordered LEDs here at Lazada. Here the 48 SMD is the one perfectly fit for the front and mid cabin lights of the Ford E-150 Econoline. It's the exact size for the lens. I ordered 4 of this one. And for the rear cabin light, when you open the back door, I ordered 2 18 SMD and 2 24 SMD and 2 36 SMD. A total of 6 at the rear cabin light. Change the cabin light here with a LED one, this one here. So what we're going to do is to open this cabin light, rotate fully, there you go, and pry this tab here, there you go. And we're going to first remove the whole housing here in order to clean the contacts for the switch, the sliding contacts. We're also going to remove this one here, there you go. And we're going to clean the lens, and we're going to remove the bulb, there you go. And to fully remove the housing here, we need to fully open this to expose the screw head, there you go. Also on the other side, there you go. Oop, yun lang. Ayan mo na yun.
Mami, ano pala siya? Kaya...
And to remove this, and I'm sure there's a socket for this one here. So there you go, we're able to remove the cabin light here, the assembly. As you'll see, the socket is already melted from the heat of the bulb, because the standard bulb here generates so much heat. As you'll see, the burns created by it. And for the socket here, it's a good thing we're changing it to LED lights for lower heat. These are the sliding contacts for the switch, so we need to clean this up because the other side here is malfunctioning. The switch, sometimes the light goes on, sometimes it goes off, so this is the reason. The sliding contacts, we need to clean it. So first we need to remove this. This is the front. There's an arrow here and here. Also there's an arrow here and here. It tells that this is the front side, so that we're not going to get confused in installing it back. So we need to replace it. There you go. So a full removal of this one, we can enable to clean the full contact surface of the steel part here of the switch. Also this one here. There you go. And rotate it. There you go. We're going to high pressure wash this first. Let's clean the contacts here using a steel brush. So there you go. And the other one here. So there you go. I think that's enough. And the contacts here. I think that's enough. Meron pa pala dito. There's a third one here. Shorter one. So there you go. So we just need to clean this with soap and water. So this is after cleaning the housing, and now we're going to install it back. Again, there's an arrow mark here and there, and there's an arrow mark here. So we're going to install it like this. There you go. Now to install the other one, and there's a plastic tab here that we need to cut because it interferes with this one here with the LED, because it's raised. It has no purpose. There you go. So we just need to use the side cutting pliers. There you go. Since we can't use the double-sided tape, because as you'll see, there's nothing to sit on, so we'll just use a super glue. You can add the super glue here where we cut the tab, and here. The other one, so the LED includes this connection attachment here, so that you'll just install this here. So just take note of the polarity. Just remember the arrow side says that it's the front side. Also my indication for positive, so this is the positive side, so the red goes on this side here and there. So I also gave some tension here by pressing this together. Red side on this side here where the arrow is, then spread both ends out. So there you go. And to install the LED, we just need to connect this, taking note of the polarity, the connector, make sure no terminals went out of its slot of the connector. Arrow front side, so this is the rear side. So there you go. And to install the other side here. So there you go. And we just have to install this back to the ceiling. Of course, install the connector. Install this back. Connect the connector socket. So it's a little hard to install due to the short wire of the socket. So there you go, the LED is working. And now to install the screws, so we need to fully open it again to expose the screwing area. Liwanag, no?
Pagbukas mo ng ilaw, kala mo nasa bahay ka, no? Sobrang liwanag.
Sabagay nung year 2000 wala pa yung mga LED na ganyan eh. So there are only 2 screws. Sige, i-flat position mo siya. Yung flat position, iilaw yan pag binuksan yung pinto. So there you go. Ayos. Ano na? Madilim pa eh, no? Hindi gano'ng kaliwanag.
Parang isa-isa lang.
Yun nga eh.
Malinaw.
Pero pwede na. Ayoko rin na sobrang liwanag. Yung parang sa RX-7,
Oh, yun, sabi sa'yo.
dito grabe liwanag eh. Talagang yun na talaga na parang nasa bahay ka.